Hey, what's up everyone? So I don't have a big setup for today's video. I just wanted to make a turtle out of bottle caps. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so let's get our sketchbook out. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward turtle. So yeah, this is going to be the basic idea. Just a nice round turtle and stubby little legs and then the head popping out. And I might do a tail too. Alright, so let's put that aside for now. Let's get out our bottle caps. For the top of the shell, I think these Magic Hat swirly ones would actually look pretty cool. And look for a green cap for the rest of the turtle. Apparently, I do not have any green bottle caps at all in here, so I do have an overflow container that hopefully I have some green ones in. So I have some woodchuck bottle caps as well as some Sierra Nevadas. I think these will work pretty well for the legs and the head and the bottom of the shell. Alright, and for tools today we're going to be using a pair of pliers and a glue gun. So I'm going to try lining these up first to just get an idea of how I want to actually distribute these. Alright, let's count the moons. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright. Alright, so let's get started. So one thing I'm going to do for the outer edges is I'm actually going to fan these out. It'll kind of give it a really cool effect on the outside. So I'm going to try doing the mirror side every time so that I kind of make sure they're evenly lined up all around. Alright, so there we go. Got our initial turtle shell here. What do you guys think? You know, probably could have done it a little bit more rounded, but I think it'll be fine and it'll still work out pretty well. So I'm actually going to bend one of these sides in so we can have the head pop out better. So I think I'll do that here. So hopefully I'll remember this is going to be the front. Alright, now I'm going to make the bottom part of the shell. Then after that we'll do the legs and the head. Alright, so the bottom part of the shell is looking pretty good. I'm going to pause on doing this and I'm going to switch to the head. And I'm also all out of this shade of green, so we're going to start using different shades of green now. So I'm going to probably have the head pop up just like I do in the drawing, just kind of pop up like that. It should look pretty cute. So I'll make that on its own and then I'll attach it. Alright, so we got the head on. I think that's looking pretty cool. So next I'm gonna fill this in a little bit. Probably put one here. And then I'll do the legs. And then we'll be done. So I think we're almost done. You know, I'm gonna add a little bit of support on the neck and maybe a tail. Alright, and so here's our Bottlecap Turtle. It turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? So that's it for today's video. And as always, you know, if you like this video, I'd love for you to like and subscribe and check back next time I make another video. Thanks everyone. Bye.